Lemongrass essential oil benefits for your health. Sit down and get your pen and paper ready, as these recipe will blow your mind with goodness. Lemongrass essential oil uses and benefits. 1. Safe and natural deodorizer. Lemongrass oil is an excellent deodorizer in the home due to its antimicrobial actions. It also has a very bright and clean scent that can create a healthy and natural air freshener. This powerful oil can be used on strong or offensive body odors as well. Lemongrass air freshener. Make a simple and natural air freshener by adding 15 drops of oil to a 2 ounces spray bottle and then fill the rest with water. Spritz around the house to naturally deodorizer of the air. You can use in a diffuser as well. 2. Relief from headaches. Lemongrass essential oil provides soothing relief of pains and pressure, as well as keep those headaches away from you. It was voted as a top 10 fan favorite essential oil for headaches. Headache massage oil. Add 4 drops of lemongrass and 1 ounce of carrier oil, like jojoba oil, into a 1 ounce dropper bottle. Massage a few drops of blend into temples and back of neck for relief. 3. Perfect for digestion. Lemongrass oil is known for helping to maintain healthy gastrointestinal function. It possesses the amazing power to take care of a variety of digestive problems, such as gas, stomach discomfort, indigestion, etc. Also acts as a natural appetite stimulant. Digestion support belly oil. Use 2 drops of lemongrass and 2 drops of peppermint with 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil blended in a recycled 15 ml essential oil bottle. Massage a few drops onto abdomen to support healthy digestion. 4. Uplifts Mood. Lemongrass uplifts and relaxes, assisting in both reducing fatigue and energizing the mind. Can be used in blends to calm the mind and reduce agitation. Try blending lemongrass with lemon, palmarosa, ginger, or frankincense to promote well-being. Check out our happy inhaler recipe below. 5. Helps with inflammation. Lemongrass oil is proven to have anti-inflammatory components which enable it to help in treating a variety of ailments. Use lemongrass to reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and bringing relief to overused muscles and joints. Try 2 drops of lemongrass and 2 drops of sweet marjoram in 1 tablespoon of carrier oil for a soothing rub. 6. Reduces menstrual cramps. Lemongrass oil does a great job in easing menstrual cramps. Try lemongrass blended with black pepper to reduce menstruation pains. Be sure to dilute well with carrier oil. 7. Powerful all-natural cleaner. Its antimicrobial and antifungal properties make lemongrass the perfect oil to add to your natural cleaning routine. Help purify and reduce the presence of unwanted bacteria, microbes, or fungus. Add to all-purpose cleaning sprays or add a few drops to your laundry detergent for an extra cleaning boost. 8. Boosts your immune system. Lemongrass can support the immune system, which ultimately guards your body from illness and helps to keep it working perfectly. It also has antioxidant properties that deal with free radicals that can cause disease. Use for support by place 1 drop of oil on a diffuser necklace and enjoy the fragrant aroma throughout the day. 9. Beautify your skin and nails. Lemongrass contains purifying and toning benefits for the skin. Use in your skincare routine to help promote clear and toned skin. Consider adding a drop to your daily cleanser or moisturizer to help tone and purify skin. Similar to tea tree, lemongrass oil can also help promote the appearance of healthy fingernails and toenails. Try combining 1 drop lemongrass and 2 drops of tea tree to a roller bottle and fill the rest of the bottle with jojoba oil. Apply the mixture to fingernails and toenails to help them look and feel clean. 10. Helps with detoxification. Lemongrass oil detoxes the liver, digestive system as well as the pancreas and other organs. This detoxifying property of lemongrass oil could very well be linked to its diuretic nature. 11. Can enhance hair health. Lemongrass oil is capable of helping your hair by improving the hair follicles. The oil's antibacterial qualities can actually help keep your hair healthy. Healthy scalp: add 1 drop of lemongrass and 2 drops of tea tree to a tablespoon of shampoo and massage into scalp. Let sit for 2 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 12. Great muscle relaxant. Lemongrass oil enhances blood flow, in so doing reducing muscle spasms, pains and cramping. It can help soothe the body after exertion during physical activity. 13. Assists with fever reduction. Lemongrass oil carries great antipyretic properties which help in reducing high fever significantly. It has a cooling effect, and its anti-inflammatory actions reduce heat. Dilute 1 drop in 2 teaspoons of carrier oil and rub on chest, neck and down spine when febrile. 14. Perfect for the nervous system. Lemongrass oil plays the role of a highly important tonic to the nervous system on the whole. The oil helps with a therapy for a number of nervous conditions by fortifying the nerves and stimulating them. Inhalation: place 1 drop in the palm of hand, rub hands together and inhale the aroma slowly and deeply. 15. Makes an excellent sedative. Lemongrass oil offers superb calming and soothing effects on the mind and body. It has been proven to act as a sedative and the nervous system.
Please subscribe now. Please hit the like button. Please tell us how you use lemongrass essential oil.